Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa and I welcome you to this channel. Today we are going to look at Canva tutorials for beginners. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a content creator, maybe YouTuber, you should be using Canva. So today I'm just going to take you through some of the things that you need to do when you get the opportunity to use Canva, and I think you should be using Canva. So if you get into, just type in there's a link to the in the description below whereby you get to get free 30 days trial of Canva Pro, but you can use the free version also. So it's going to be like this: you just sign up to Canva, you are good to go. And if you are already logged in, you just if you already have an account, just log in and we move on. So once you get into Canva, the interface is quite like this. So you can see there are a lot of things that you can use Canva to create. So the interface is like this. I have the Pro version. I just upgraded to the Pro version because I wanted to do some products and display them on my Etsy shop. So if you come, it's pretty much like this. You can use to even do videos, Instagram posts. You can use Canva to create and design logos, your Instagram story post, Facebook post. You can see stories, flyers. You can do presentation, Facebook cover, posters. You can do YouTube thumbnail, business card, mobile video, all these things. You can use banners, cards, certificates, resumes. You can see, as you can see, certificates, Instagram reels, photo collage, Pinterest pins. They have all the dimensions for you. Even t-shirts, you can use Canva to design all these things. So it's like this. So if you come up, you see pretty much what you want and you just get into it. That's the first way to start, right? But then there are some things you can see. Create your design. Once you do create your design, it will give you the opportunity to tell what type of design you want. And once you click on it, pretty much it's going to give you the dimensions. If you have your own dimensions, you just do custom dimensions, custom size, and straight it will give you the size, whether in inches. We will do a demonstration here. You can edit photo, you can import your own files and stuff. And this is your name and accounts. This is the settings, account settings. Once you click on account settings, it tells you all what you need to do. But then, so custom size is also here. And here you get to get templates, different templates, Instagram stories, all the templates that we have here. You can find them here. Business cards. I just did a business card. And features, the features of all those things, and templates and home. And here you see your recent designs that you are working on and your projects, maybe things you've imported in and things you want to work with. The trash can, and that's on your left, and all this, you see them here. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's create maybe an Instagram post. So you can start by typing what you want to create in here. Maybe you want to do Instagram post. If you type in Instagram post here, it's going to give you all the posts that are related to Instagram and their posts. You can see people have already designed Instagram post templates and they are there. So you can just customize any one of them and start using it. That's the beauty of Canva. I can customize this, I can customize any one of this and just start using it. So once I customize it, uh, I can change the images, I can change, but this is a pro version. If you are also a pro member like me, you can get to use Canva Pro to design, like to use pro templates. But if you're not a pro member, these ones are the free ones and it's good to go. You can get to do that. So let's just pick a template. So you can also just do free blank one. If you just want to start blank, you just click on create and a blank document template will come, and you get to choose what you want. So I can just start creating something. So for the benefit of doubt, these are elements. So these are like icons, logos, things that people you can use to create your templates. We have uploads. Upload simply means things that you've brought into Canva, your own pictures, your own whatever. They can be found here. These are pictures I'm working on with my Etsy shop. photos. From Canva has its own photos that you can just use them. Some are royalty free, some too you need to get licenses, like pay for them. But then Canva also have a collection of photos. It's just like Pixabay. And these are the texts on your left. So you can bring in here and get text. Just type in and good to go. So audios we can put in like that. They have different audios collections, and also if you have your own logo that you have, you can upload that here. And there are quite a lot of things that you can see here. And the title here, you can put your title of what you are working on. Test flyer. We're going to go test Instagram post. So it has given us, you can see that this template has been given to us by Canva, and this is resize. So once we go into resize, you see the type of like size that they've given us. The width is 1080 by 10 and height is 1080 pixels. So that's what they've given us to work with. That is the template for Instagram posts. So when you use this, it's fixed directly into the Instagram. So I'm going ahead to pick some elements, or let me pick some. I'm just picking some elements and I'm going to work with that. So maybe I want to do a post about like a motivational quote post. So I can just start picking and bringing things together just to be able to make that post. So I'm just starting and I want to do an Instagram post. So let's see what I can do here. And it shows you like it's just simple. You can do Instagram beauty. So I just want to do a post, and Instagram, the title of post is Instagram beauty. So here you can see these are different text. You can import your own text. You can go to Creative Fabrica. You can in the description below there are like you can see Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, all those places you can get text, font sizes, different fonts to be able to download it. So you can see that it has changed. So I want something beautiful. Okay, this is not bad. Let me see what okay, banana will bring. I have a font which is called banana. Okay, this one. Let me see. Okay, great. So you can see it's changing. So once you put in your text, you can change the color of the text. You can change here on your left. You can change the color of the text. If you want it to be blue, you can change, and the background too. I can change the background color. So you go here, background color, and you can get to change the background color. So I'm just changing it to black so that I can be able to work with my text very well. Instagram beauty. And the text, I don't even like the text. I'm going to change it to whiskey. So, and you can resize the text sizes. You can, so once you can see that you can move it, the spacing, if you don't like the spacing, you can just work over that. Okay, we can just work with that. Then let me bring my picture up. I've uploaded one of my pictures here, and I just want to bring it here to work with. So maybe this picture. Which picture should I bring in? So these are all things that I've uploaded into this. So I'm just going to bring this picture, which is the picture. That's the picture I use for my the thumbnail for this video. So that's the same picture I'm using. So I'm just going to give you some description. So I'm just going to into the elements also because I still need some elements. I want to bring in some elements, introduce some elements to this so that I can beautify it. I can beautify this. So I want some arrows. Okay, arrows to work with this. Okay. I'm gonna go to graphics. So I don't think I'll need this. Then I need this one. I can work with this one. So once you pick this, just want I want to design some. I want to give it some flair, and I just copy it, then paste. So it has become two. But I want the same design here. Okay, just want something stylish. So I want to change the picture. So I want to change the colors. So I'm just designing without any tech skills, and it's good to go. It's good to go. So I can introduce some elements, maybe also, but and you when you type in here, whatever you want to type in here, maybe you want to add in the Instagram logo, you can easily get them here on the interface here. So once I type in Instagram, you see that the logos will come, and I can pick one logo and place it here, and just place this here, and I'm good to go. So if I can resize it, bring it here, and I can give it a text to just beautify the whole thing. So let me bring in an element, and once I bring in an element here, I want it to be like this, so that I can put in some text here, so that it will match. But before I put in the text, I want to make it black, and I will the position of it now. I want to transparency. I want it to be a little transparent, so that you still see through the image. You can see that still transparent. I can still see through the image. So I can introduce another text just to give it a feel of like my Instagram handle, Mustafa in Spice, and I can bring it in. Bring the Mustafa in Spice here, and beautify it. So the text is not stylish, so you get to choose a font, different fonts, so that you get to see which one will give that beautiful interface. These are all like, so you can increase it just to see this. Just to see this, you can bring it closer, and you can, whilst you are working, you can see the percentage is 26 on the working, but I can make it big so that I get to see it bigger. So and this, I just have my Instagram post, and I can just download. You can download it here, or if your account is connected, you can just share it through the same. You can just share it, download it. Instagram, you can just, if your account is connected, you can just directly send this to what, Instagram street or Facebook page or Twitter, or through email. You can share it from this interface. Right, so this is just like a tutorial on the just a flyer Instagram post that I wanted to do, a simple Instagram post. So you can also equally just lay your hands on this. I want to show you some of the things I worked on, and we'll get to go. So I initially worked on this Canva tutorials for beginners, and that's the template I use for the thumbnail I use for this particular video. So you can also equally design this. Just you can move it. It's just individual text that I worked on, and I picked the same image and I brought it here. So pretty much you can see I got a template work of it, and you can just also equally do that. So this is a YouTube thumbnail. Once you come to the home page, you can get to choose any thumbnail or any template that you want. Let's assume that I want to create a business card. I'll just type in business card, and I'm good to go with the business card. So I can pick anybody's business card like a template, and I adjust it to work, to just give it my own feel. So let me just quickly pick template like this. I want a template like this. This is okay. This is a little bit stylish. So maybe I'm in a NFTs industry or gaming industry, and I want to modify this. I can just put in my name. Then if and I can adjust the image. Right, you can see this image. I can work on it. Filters. I can work on this image, change it colors, give it a feel of what I want. If it is this image, they've given you the chance to even change the colors of this and stuff. So pretty much you can work on that. And I am an entrepreneur, not a gamer. So changes, and you can see this is the back side of it. And you can equally like change the how it is, just to give it a nice feel. Maybe if you want it to match, you can just edit the text, put in CEO and creative fabrica. Maybe that's I'm assuming that that's my name. And once you feel like this is, you can change it colors to see. You can see different colors to see if it fits whatever you want. And if it fits whatever you want, you can just, if this one is not what you want, increase the font size and move with it. Then once you are done with this, you can also introduce your own designs in terms of images. So maybe uploads or elements. Maybe you can say I want a lion. I want a lion. So you can bring a lion. They've given you different templates, different lion designs, and I can just introduce it here because I am a lion. Now bring it here. I'm quite sure it's good to go. And you can equally edit the lion to like get it some filters. I want it to be this or that or that, and you're good to go. So once you're done, just download it, PDF version, to give you download in PDF version if you want that. And once it is done, I'm just going to open it for you to see. You can just go straight and print it out. If you know the dimensions on your printer, you can see there's the business cards I've created, and as simple as this. So you can use Canva to create a lot of things. So keep exploring Canva, and there's a free 30 days Canva Pro in the description below. So if you use that, you get a 30 days free Canva Pro, and you get to use to create your own designs. And but then if you're a beginner, you're not making much money, the Canva free version is okay for you to use. Thank you for your time. If you are new to this, please just like, subscribe to this, subscribe to my channel. My YouTube channel is growing, and we'll get to meet again. If you also have some recommendations for me, please, I will be happy if you recommend them to me through my email, or just send me a message and I'll respond to you. If you also want partnership, let's do that. This is the Canva tutorial. My name is Brian Mustafa, and I believe in you, and I believe in the power of your dreams. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.